Hello composers, Mike here. How do you crossfade two audio clips in Logic Pro X, either automatically or manually? Let me show you right now. I will also give you a bonus tip in the end of this video. Alright, so let's say you have two audio clips that you want to apply a crossfade between. I will demonstrate this by going into the Apple Loops browser. Simply take this acoustic drum loop and let's do this conga loop here. Now, the default way is, if I remember correctly, if you select this clip and drag it here, that will actually replace what's behind. So if I drag it back, now that part is gone, or the opposite way, like so. So let's undo that. What you want to do if you want to apply an automatic crossfade is go up here to drag. It says no overlap, put it on X fade. And now, when you select the clip and drag it over, depending on how much you overlap, you will see now the crossfade here. If I zoom into this, you can see it better. You can drag it inwards more if you want to. Let's see if we go back like so, and it will be a longer crossfade, which sounds like this now. Job done. Now let's go up here to check the other options. Some people have these on overlap, which means if I put this here now, so now this clip is overlapping this clip, so I can drag this to the right and this part is still here. Now if I zoom in, I will show you how you can do a manual crossfade. You can either use the fade tool, or as I have done, I've gone into preferences, general, editing, and applied fade tool click zones, which means I can use the selection tool and hover my mouse in the upper corner like this, and now I can do a fade. But I want to do a crossfade. Well, simply take the clip and do the fade in the opposite direction, and look what happens. Voila, a crossfade is applied. Now here's my bonus tip for you. Let's say you want to add an audio clip here in between these two clips. Well, the ordinary way of doing this is to move this to the side, add the audio clip, then drag this to the left to align it there, and then drag this here. That's pretty silly. At least if you know this feature. Let's undo those. Go up here and use the Shuffle R or Shuffle L. So in most cases you will use the Shuffle L options, which means that this clip will be moved to the side and the new clip will be perfectly aligned to the right side of this one and to the left side of this one. Let me show you. If I take this electric arpeggio here and place it in between here, look what happens. The arpeggio is here, that one is shuffled or pushed to the right, but they are still all perfectly aligned. If I place this on Shuffle R instead, it will push it to the left. So if I take this jazzy drum set and place it here to the right side of the acoustic drum kit, now that is pushed to the left. Now, an extra feature of using the shuffle settings here is that you also can use it when you remove a clip. Let's say you want to remove this again and have these perfectly aligned. Well, either you use Shuffle L. If I delete this now, look what happens. Bam, this one is pushed to the left. Or if I use Shuffle R and remove this clip, bam, this one is pushed to the right. Please like, share and comment on this video to support my channel, and I will see you in the next video, my friends. Check out my complete video series on Logic Pro X tutorials and tips here on my channel. Learn and master Logic Pro X to boost your music composition and production workflow.